This is a really simple, healthy midweek recipe, and it gave me the juiciest chicken with a nice crispy skin. And I definitely burnt my fingers trying to get this shot just so I could show you how juicy that chicken really was. And we want to start with a good drizzle of melted ghee or butter and a good splash of some high quality olive oil. I love garlic, so I love to add plenty of fresh minced garlic and also plenty of lemon juice and just a little squeeze of tomato paste. For our dry spices, we want some ground coriander and cumin. You can toast these a little first just to bring out the flavour, some smoky paprika and some sweet paprika with some salt and freshly ground black pepper. For your fresh herbs, you want some finely chopped fresh parsley and dill. Just give your marinade a good mix, drizzling in some extra olive oil just to smoothen out that consistency so you can really spread it all over your chicken until you have something like this. Coat your bone-in skin on thighs with plenty of that marinade, making sure you get all those crevices, and you'll find that chicken thigh is much juicier than chicken breast, and leave to marinate for at least 30 minutes. I roasted mine with some sweet potato and new potato, which I cut in half. And you want to season your potatoes with salt and a seasoning blend of sweet and smoky paprika with a touch of cumin powder and black pepper. Get that seasoning blend all over your potatoes with a drizzle of olive oil and give that all a good mix. If you're going to be baking a lot of chicken, you may want to give your potatoes a 20-minute head start in the oven before you add your chicken. Then add your marinated chicken skin side down and bake for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, flip your chicken thighs and baste them with any leftover marinade you may have and give them a little sprinkle of salt, and this will just help to crispen up that chicken skin. And continue baking at 200 degrees Celsius until your chicken skin is golden brown and crispy. Garnish with some fresh parsley, and I just served mine with a little bit of salad, and that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell. Thank you for watching.